You know, it's been a hot minute since we've done anything Nintendo Switch related on this channel, but today I'm going to try to overcome the biggest weakness of this console. And no, it's not the Tegra chip on the inside. It's that the Joy-Con aren't really the best controller. And personally, while I love playing with a Pro controller, I play this more portably than I do docked these days. So let's solve that, hopefully with this. Hello and welcome. My name is Wolfie and you're watching GreaterThanPie. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Hori Split Pad Pro. What this hopefully will do will actually provide an excellent grip and controller system for the Nintendo Switch, specifically in the portable configuration. The reason that this is portable only is probably something to do with Nintendo's official seal over here. They didn't really want you to have something that could also double as a Pro controller, I don't think. And so this actually doesn't have Bluetooth connectivity. It actually connects only to the Switch from the side, meaning there's really no other way to use this. We also have the clear black one today because they came out with a bunch of new colors when Pokemon came out, so I'm excited. Now this originally did debut with a game called Daemon Ex Machina, which I still have a sealed copy of the game, or actually I unsealed it, but I haven't played it yet. I own it on two systems. I own it on PC and on Switch. So maybe we'll try that with this Split Pad Pro. So first off, very, very light. On the back, we've got the full controller experience in handheld mode. We've got a precise D-pad, programmable rear triggers. So that's kind of nice. And yeah, this is also cheaper, by the way, than a Joy-Con. I think it was $40 if I'm not mistaken, for just this. Just two controllers. Yeah, I mean, the cost is down because they don't have to deal with Bluetooth, but I mean, if you already have a Switch or a Switch OLED, this might be a perfect little thing for it. Now, if you're looking for these, you can pick them up on Amazon, Target, Walmart, everywhere has them. All right, and it's my first time actually looking at these in person. We've got an instruction manual. I ripped it. Oh my goodness. In the box, controller and manual. I am reading that in Italian. Where's English? English. Okay. So let's take a look at these. All right, immediately my first impressions, pretty good. Pretty good indeed. Thumbsticks feel great. Not analog triggers, but the Switch doesn't use analog triggers. It has a pairing button, so it has to have Bluetooth, right? I don't understand how it doesn't do what the Joy-Cons do, because it looks like it should be able to. Maybe it has no battery in it. Well, in that case, couldn't you just use like a the powered grip, which I have lying around somewhere? Maybe. All right, so let's go ahead and switch things up a little bit. So I'm actually curious to see what it looks like when we, oh, it just did. There's like nothing to it. What do these look like in the settings? Interesting. It does not see it as anything weird. All right. So first impressions, now that I've got this into the grip, I like it. I like it a lot, actually. Feels super comfortable. Can I still use the kickstand? Nope. This dinky kickstand, this dinky kickstand cannot hold it up, so you can't really use it in docked mode, but not like you'd want to anyway. You can rest it using the the little nubbin bits on the table. Very interesting. It feels really nice. So let's see, what should I play? That is a good question. You know what? I pulled out Mario Kart because I am good at Mario Kart. That grip is good. That grip is real good. God damn it, I am going to die. All right, point is, it does pretty well. It is an improvement over the Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons, but I would argue that Hori may have gone a little too far, and that's mainly because of this. This is the Razer Kishi, which is actually a very similar device for your smartphone, and to be completely fair, the Kishi is incredibly comfortable. So much so that I would love to use a Kishi-like device on the Nintendo Switch. It's just not possible. So yeah, in a way, the wheel really didn't need to be reinvented that much. But when it comes to actual improvements, this thing is leagues ahead of this thing. This thing is leagues ahead of this thing in comfort and portability. But who is this really for? And the answer is, well, it's for the person who wants a comfortable portable experience that is similar to the Pro Controller, and then when they dock their Switch, just uses a Pro Controller, i.e. me. I rarely take my Joy-Cons off. And so having a full-size controller that I can actually just slip right onto the Switch is actually a pretty decent upgrade. And for $40, not bad at all. And from what I understand, this should just dock like normal, which I just tested and confirmed. Yes, it just docks like normal. Now it's in the dock. So yeah, honestly, worthwhile upgrade. Doesn't cost that much and works pretty well. But that's what we're gonna end today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, you can leave it a like, comment, subscribe. I do content like this all the time. And if there's any other Nintendo Switch accessories that you want me to take a look at, please drop it in the comments. I'd love to take a look at something weird. I mean, I've got a backlog on this console that's pretty big. Still in the middle of this one. Haven't even started this one. I really need to start this one. Haven't even played this one. I admitted to that. I play this one way too much. So yeah, thank you again. Wolfie, out.